All right, so this is after you put in the information from the first little video. This is just a short one to fold it, so it won't take that long. You've got your information for all three examples. You've got all the information for what you do. Again, these steps will take you through the problem. Use the examples to help you. So all you're going to do is take and simply fold it one way and then fold it into the middle this way. So you'll need a glue stick. Have them grab one, get one, and read directions. Just like that, you're going to glue it on the back side, put it into your notebook. Please use it for this section. This is a big part of your Algebra 1 system.